Welcome to Big Bob's Barbecue and More. On this YouTube channel, we're going to learn how to do some barbecue, grilling, some charcuterie, which is preservation of meats, like making bacon, and we're going to cook with stuff. If you're looking to learn the basics, change what you've done in the past, learn some new techniques and maybe some different ideas, this is the place for you. If you see something you like, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to watch the videos, turn on the alerts so that you get updated from YouTube every time we post a new video. I got to give a special shout out to Professor Ryan over at Kama Jiu-Jitsu. He's the guy who has inspired me to make this happen. Now, a little bit of the equipment that we're going to be looking at. Have you thought about buying a standard smoker and you didn't know if you would actually use it or you didn't know how to use it? We'll go over those. We're going to teach you some recipes. We're going to do all sorts of fun stuff with that. Keep watching. This is the grill I use. We're going to do all sorts of neat stuff on there too. We're going to do, your standard steaks. We're going to do desserts. We're going to use skillets. We're going to maybe even smoke some things, even though I have a smoker, just to show you that it can be done on a gas grill. Over here we got the chimenea and some chairs. While we're smoking, it's a great place to sit around with friends, drink some beer, and chill out and socialize. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe and tell your friends all about it, because when you start doing barbecue, you'll have plenty of friends. If you have questions, be sure to email me, bigbobsbarbecue@gmail.com. We look forward to seeing you more. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe to Big Bob's Barbecue and More.